Hi everyone, this is lesson number 10, HSK1. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. First, we already learned new words from previous lesson and we need to practice them in this one. First dialogue about talking about family. About. How many people are in your family? 你家有几口人？你家有几口人？ Your family 有几口？几 how much? How many? 口 it's measure word for people in your family. 你家有几口人？ Don't forget about this rule. Third to second one. There are 4 people in my family. How about you? 我家有4口人。4口人 4 people. My family have 4 people. 你呢? What about your family? 你呢? How about you? Or you say, you speak. Alright, you speak now. There are 3 people in my family. 我家有3口人。我家有3口人。Also, we can speak like that. 我 Just don't need to rise again. 我家有3口人。We need to see the difference between, for example, 是 and 有 是 有. It starts much higher. And what does he answer? Do you have a daughter? 你有女儿吗？女儿 it's a daughter. 女儿。你有女儿吗？Yes, my daughter is 5 years old this year. 有。我女儿今年5岁了。有。我女儿今年5岁了。5岁了。岁 5岁。We need to emphasize this one. 岁。Next one, asking about age. How old are you this year? 你几年 this year? 你几年多大了？ How big you are? So, how old are you? 多大 Da is big. 多 it's a lot, but here it's for how many, you can say. For how much, how big. 多大了？你今年多大了？ I'm 25 this year. How about you? 我今年25岁。25岁。你呢？ What about you? 你呢？10 it's a 10. 10 it's 2 and 5 it's 5. So 25. 2 times 10 and 1 5. So 25. I'm 30 this year. 我今年30岁。3 times 10. So it's 30. 我今年30岁。10岁。我今年。How old is your daughter? 你的女儿几岁了？你的女儿几岁了？岁了。Your daughter 几岁 How many years does he have? Oh, how old is she? 几岁了？ She is 3 years old this year. 她今年3岁了。她今年3岁了。So sometimes we need to emphasize this tone signs. Next one, discussing plans. What are your plans this year? 今年 this year 今年你有什么计划？计划 plans 什么 what plans? So this this year you have which plans or what plans? 今年你有什么计划？计划 I want to go to China this year. How about you? 我今年想去中国，想去中国。我今年想去中国。你呢？What about you? 想 it's I want to. 去 it's to go, to move to some place. It doesn't mean it's like walking. It could be any possible way. So 去 I want to study Chinese this year. 我今年想学韩语。学 to learn 韩语 it's a language. Han it's a Chinese nation. So 韩语 it's a language of Chinese people. 我今年想学韩语。That's great. Okay, let's continue. And he answered, That's great. Oh, that's great. How many people are in your family? 太好了。It's mean too much or a great number or really, really good. 太好了 It's always with l. 太好了。你家有几口人？你家有几口人？有几口人？ How many people are in your family? There are 3 people in my family. 我家有3口人。我家有3口人。We need to emphasize 3家 for first one and 人 for second one. 人 But for third one, we can call. Just it's between fifth tone and like fourth tone. So it's just in the middle. Oh, we can say like call. But when you speak fast, it's also just call. Talking about home. Dialogue number 4. Is your home big? 你家大吗？你家大吗？ Your home 大 it's big, 吗 it's a question. We can say 你家多大 or we can say like that. It's all right. Yes, my home my home is very big. How about yours? 是的，对，是的 it's yes. It is 我家很大。My home is very big. 很大。你家呢？ What about your house? So, 你家呢？ No, it's a reverse question. My home is not big, but it's very comfortable. 我家不大。Not big. 不大。Dan, it's big. However, Dan 很舒服。舒服 it's been comfortable. It's like it's not comfortable to use. It's mean relaxing, something easy one. Because we have, for example, if you mark it near your house, it's not 舒服. It's comfortable. We will see later. Don't be because too many characters in one lesson could be distracted. How many people are in your family? 你家有几口人？你家有几口人？ How many people? There are 4 people in my family. 我家有4口人。Or we can say 我家有6口人。6 people, 6 or 10. Oh, no, 10口人. It's 10 people. So we can vary. But it's quite a big family. In Chinese, I think 3 or 4 people, it's general. it could be like father, mother, and two child, for example. Asking about children. Do you have a daughter? 你有女儿？你有女儿吗？女儿 daughter. Yes, my daughter is 6 years old this year. 有，我女儿今年 this year 6岁了，6 岁 years old. So 我女儿今年6岁了，6 like a shotgun, you know, 6. What does she like? 她喜欢什么？她喜欢什么？She likes what? What does she like? She likes drawing and reading books. 她喜欢画画和看书。画画 it's to draw something. 画画 when it's 2 times it's just for emphasizing. Or we can say 画画 or 看看 or for example another any verb we can use like that. 和看 it's mean to look at something or to read if terms of book. 看书他喜欢画画和看书 How cute. 真可爱 How cute. 可爱 it's a cute. Maybe we know Japanese. 可愛 真可愛 it's similar. 真 here it's really or how good it is. So emphasizing like very 真可愛 I it's to love. 可 it's can be to love. Well, we don't need to translate, just 可愛 how cute. And this is all for today. Next lesson we will learn new words. So keep staying. See you.